Hello everybody, Ethan here, and today I'm going to see what happens when you put a puppet in water. Hopefully it works. Now I just wait. Is it time yet? Oh shoot, it's overfilling! Oh god. Okay, so I don't really want to ruin my puppet, so I'm going to test it by putting its hand in. Alright. There we go, hands in, and I guess I could just squeeze it. I didn't really ruin it. Now for the moment of truth. We're putting this puppet in the water, ruin it. I did it. I did it. Huh. Doesn't really. Just makes it really wet. I don't think it ruined it. Hold on. Okay guys. I just put the whole puppet in. Whoa. Let's dry him off and see what happens. Let me soak his mouth in there. I kind of want to loosen him up. Oh yeah. Right, let's dry him off and see how he works. Okay guys, it's been about an hour and I've dried him off in here. What's up, buddy? What's up? I'm going to put my hand in him now. And, I don't know if there's any difference or change or anything. I mean, it seems all the same. I mean, I might do some more experiments with the water. If you want to see the other ones, check out my Instagram. It's called Ethan _link_RPS. That's my Instagram. So, yeah. See the rest of my adventures with this puppet in water. Bye, guys. Let's go.